Hey guys, welcome to my vlog! So for today's video, it's going to be Bernie's birthday bash! Because why celebrate one day when you can celebrate for a week? So the celebration started the night before and we ate sa Cafe Lydia. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to vlog, but here are some photos of what we ordered. Of course, my parents got their favorite marinara. Then Danny and I shared a pasta. I think this was arrabbiata and our favorite buffalo chicken and pizza and so on. And Danny even treated us. It was a surprise. We love her. But now, here's the rest of the vlog, starting with his actual birthday.
Happy birthday, Barbs!
So today, kasama ulit natin si Lala Emmy.
Kaway ka na, Nay.
Kaway ka lang.
Si Daddy! And of course, my parents. Happy birthday!
Have you seen Orange Xiaolong Bao?
Devoured! So this is my favorite Gucci. It's black sesame. Pero parang may peanuts yung loob niya. I love it so much.
Hi guys, so we're with Danny already.
The birthday boy is still here.
So chinecheck nila yung results. Ano nila, check up nila by RRNC. You heard it all.
115 lang pala eh. Sakto lang pala.
Ito, si Coke Addict. Coke Addict.
This one is great. This sangria is great. It enters strong. And the aftertaste of a fruit.
I agree. Mozzarella Tower. And here's the rest of our order. Tomahawk pork chop. Sama na nakalimutan ko yung tawag. Another sama na nakalimutan ko yung tawag. And pork sarap. Chimichurri pork sarap. With my favorite strawberry merlot. And yung sangria. My risotto is giving Chef Ramsay. Chine-check na ulit kung may tinik. Devoured again. Except yun. Parang may uwi pa yan. And for dessert, tiramisu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Apa. We love you, Apa. Kung nari may hipan ka, i-edit ko na lang.
Wala tunog eh. Plastic lang. Ito yung glass. Oh.
Clink!
Let's go to the next day. Day 3 of Bernie's birthday. Bakit mo kasi spin low? Normalize repeating outfits. So, nag-grocery ulit kami. This is the same people na kasama namin sa Subic before. And as I told you guys, mahilig yung lola ko na i-display mga delata. I wish I could show you. Wala si Silly.
Wala si Siri.
So sad. Pero may outside. Happy
Tingnan mo,
birthday!
Mukhang matanda.
Don't go.
Hindi ka lang buhok. Ito yung buhok ko. Pero meron dito.
You're bald. Nasa SNR naman kami. Kami lang bayo. We're just here for the spam. Ayaw nila Pia ng spam.
Bakit?
Sobrang alat daw.
Konting laman.
That's the goal. That's the goal. Turtle chips.
Nakakita mo sila.
Pero wala yung gusto kong flavor. The churro is the best flavor. Guys, we got Chobani Flip. Thank you, Kyla D, for your influence. Say hi to the vlog. Wow.
Ay, video pala.
Hi ka din. Hi. Hi.
Hi, say hi to the vlog.
First meal of the day. It's ano oras na Ate Peachy? Magwa 1 o'clock na. Here's our food. So many food.
Extra to extra.
Kay Daniel daw to.
Natawa na si Bert ngayon pa lang.
Ba't tumatawa yung nagbigay?
Chocolate na Dubai.
Mukhang magta, binalik sa akin ah.
And the vlog is not over. We have one more day.
Celebration.
Buya! Hindi pa tapos yung vlog. Hindi pa kami tapos kumain. Birthday niya pa rin. Normalized outfit preparing. Screenagers. Screenagers.
Ending the birthday week with a proper steak.
What's your order?
Prime rib. Klein.
Is
I got the New York strip. And what's your order?
sabi ka may cake.
Then for sides, you have fries, muslin, mashed potato, rice, cabbage corn, and so on and so forth. Mashed potato really. Devoured. Slightly devoured. Slightly devoured. Slightly devoured.
Devoured.
Devoured pala. Galing sa amin. Kasi matigas lang yung pang part. What can you say about the meal?
What did I say about the prime rib? Ito. Get the New York strip and nothing else.
Proof.
Ganun lang.
Sobrang nipis.
Nipis ko.
Kuya, sino nasa likod mo, kuya? They did this for me, ah.
Pag may tinig ko dyan ng Les Serafim, sasayaw ako.
Paan ni Bernie?
Hindi gumagalaw.
Yes, Victoria's Secret Angel. Iniwan namin siya sandali. Kinabahan ka ba? Kinabahan ka ba ng konti?
Konti.
Yun na, siya. Nakalimutan kami.
Shit.
Isang bata na naman hindi pinayagan.
Bakit hindi mo dilim? Bakit?
Eh, wala kang
Sige.
Nagtatago ata siya. Nag-alala pa ako kung baka hindi namin mahanap yung car. Nahanap namin siya. So, ang wish ko lang for my apa on his birthday and every day actually is I hope he stays healthy so that we could try more amazing food together. I love you, apa. I hope you had fun on your vacation. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!